Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're looking at a 2014 Ram 1500 Sport Crew Cab. Under the hood we have a 5.7 liter V8 Hemi and an 8-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks really cool. You do have the black grille up front with that silver chrome accenting. It looks very nice. You do have the black bumper with your parking sensors on it down there. You do also have bifunction projector style headlights right there and your fog lights just down there. And coming around the side here we do have our 20-inch rims with our Trail Hog tires. They look nice. Those tires are tons of tread left on them and the rims look awesome. Now you do also have the running boards along the bottom and heated exterior mirrors also in the black with the turning signals on them. And coming around the back here we do have a 5-foot box, and it does also have the Ram boxes on it. So all we gotta do is press this button. They do lock for us as well. And you can get in there and you can access all of your storage in there and whatnot. Now we'll come all the way around back here. It does have the black bumper, and you do have dual exhaust as well, as you have your parking sensors there and your backup camera there. Open it up. Tons of room back here as well. It does have the box liner on it, so nothing will be getting scratched up while it's back here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 press to unlock, 1 press to lock all the doors, and you have your panic button up there. You also have your other key right here, and it does have your remote start on it, so all you gotta do is hold this down and it will start up for you as well. Always nice in the winter, that remote start. It'll get nice and warm for you and you don't have to go outside in your pajamas and it's all gross. Now, let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside here. On the door, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here, as well as this button right here does bring in your mirrors. This guy's a little bit of chrome accenting on your handle. Another handle here, some storage here, and some more just down here with your water bottle holder right there. Very nice interior as well. It is leather. Looks great. You do have that cloth on the inside as well. Very comfortable. And then you got this guy, which is your seat controls, so backward and forward, the tilt, and the lumbar support there. Then we also have the controls over our auto, our off, our daytime running lights, and our low beams, as well as our fog lights in the center there, and our in-cabin light control right here. And then up here we also have the controls over our high beams, turning signals, and our windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up now. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Okay, in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as we have our engine temperature, our gas, we have our oil, and our battery up there. Now it also says how many kilometers we have, which is only 61,000, not too bad at all. Also the direction we're facing and the station we're on. Now we can switch that around to our vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A and B. We also have our audio, our stored messages, screen setup, and then back to your speedometer. That is controlled from your steering wheel right here with your voice recognition, your call out button for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and your cruise control options on the other side. Around the back of the steering wheel right here, you do have a volume up and down button, as well as a source changer. And on the other side, there is an identical button for the channel. Now, down here, you do have the controls over your gears. So all you gotta do is just twist it like that. And then down here, you do have your 4-wheel auto, your 4-wheel lock, your 4-wheel low, and your 2-wheel. And when you are in reverse, you have that ever useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Now we do have an 8.4-inch touchscreen display here, so we have our AM, our FM, and our Sirius XM all in there. You also have your media, if you have one hooked up through USB, aux cord, Bluetooth, or through an SD card. You have your controls over your mirror dimmer and your settings there. Your climate control right here, so you can turn it up and down and all that from there. As well as you have your phone options if you have one hooked up, and your settings. Now down here we do have our volume up and down with the mute, screen off, hazard lights, back button, and our browser there. You got your AC, circulation, heat up and down. Then you also have your power here at the off, front and rear defrost. And then we also have our traction control, our tow and haul mode, and then our front and rear park assist. You got your storage here, a little bit more storage in here with a place for your phone to sit. You also have some cup holders there. And this guy is our armrest that does double as a storage container. You get some coin holders there. And right over there we have an SD card slot, USB and aux cord plug-in. And you can lift this guy up as well. And you got even more room just underneath there. Now over here we do also have our top glove box and our bottom glove box. Lots of room in there with our owner's manual inside of it. And then up top we also have the control over the little window in the back and our universal garage door opener right there. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door here we do have that same silver accenting. We got the control over our windows, handle here, some storage here and some more down here. Very spacious back here. It is a crew cab, as I did say. Lots of room, and it is the leather back here as well. Now you can pull this down. You got some armrests with some cup holders. Then you can also lift this guy up like this, and you can get into under there. There's some storage. Same on the other side, but a bit bigger. You can also fold this down just like this. And then you got a flat surface to put stuff on top of, and you can do the same with the other side again. And then you also have some additional storage just under there. And there's our 5.7 liter V8 Hemi. That does it for my walk around video of the 2014 Ram 1500 Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.